Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to come to you today. I received a free product from Influenster, and the product I received is the Perricone MD High Potency Classics Hyaluronic Intensive Moisturizer. I received this moisturizer about three weeks ago. And if you're not familiar with Influenster, it's a company who sends out products to people. You don't have to have a channel. They send you these products, and all they want you to do is try them out and review them. And you need to write a review on wherever they say. I had to do a review on Sephora and Ulta, and I also put it up on my social media sites. If anybody noticed, it was on my Instagram. But that's all they require. And what you do, you get on there, you register, and you do surveys so they can find out what type of products you use. And they'll ask you if you do use a particular product to maybe do a review on it. That way you can help others to know if it's a good product or a bad product. But it's a real good program. I have a link to their site, and I'll leave it below the video under the description portion of this video if anyone's interested. If you have any questions, please just let me know. I subscribed to them probably before I even had a channel. I was thinking about doing it, and I subscribed, and they sent a Vox box. That's what they call the boxes of products, or the box that your product comes in. It's a Vox box. And the first one I received had multiple things in it, household things and snacks. This is the second time I get something. So if you're interested in that, look below my video and you'll see the link. So if you're interested in hearing my review and hearing all about the Perricone MD High Potency Classic Hyaluronic Intense Moisturizer, stay tuned. This is my product, the Perricone MD Moisturizer. I've never tried any of his products that I remember. I don't have anything from this line, but I was very happy to try a moisturizer. I'm always looking for something that's cheaper than the one I use that I like. And let me show you what this one looks like. It comes in a jar like this, and this is a full-size product. What it is, it's a gel cream like consistency that is oil free. There's no oil in it at all, and it's for all skin types, and it has 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. The micro hyaluronic acid helps to plump your skin. The second type is cross-linked, and what it does, over time it continues to hydrate the skin. The last type is barrier hyaluronic acid, and this one forms a barrier to keep the moisture in your skin. It prevents it from getting dehydrated. There's so much science that goes into these products, and over the years they just improve on them and improve on them. The 2 other significant ingredients that I noticed in the product were for DMAE, and DMAE is a word this long. This is the only ingredient that has shown to help sagging skin. So if you have sagging skin, you want to find a product that has DMAE in it. The last ingredient that I saw that I wanted to mention is the rosemary leaf extract. What this does, over time, it helps to tighten your skin. Now, I've been using it for 3 weeks. I should continue to see improvement in my skin, because the longer you wear a product, the better your skin becomes. And all these results they have found this cream to do, has been proven clinical results. You always want a cream that has had clinical results so you can know that it does do what they're saying it does. Let me give you my review on the product. You know what's in it and you know what it's supposed to do. How did it work on my skin? Well, I started wearing it 3 weeks ago. The first day I put a little bit on my chin right here just to make sure I didn't have any kind of reaction from it. Anytime you start a new product, you want to try it out because you want to make sure you don't have any kind of reactions from it, especially if you have sensitive skin. Well, I had no reactions, so I used it twice that day. You use it AM and PM, and all I did was slip out my moisturizer and add this one into my regimen. And let me tell you, this stuff has done wonders for my skin. I was so shocked because if you watched my first skincare review, you know what kind of products I use, and they're very expensive and it's hard to afford them. It really is. But we all want to take the best care of our skin that we can. This has helped my forehead. My forehead has a lot of fine lines and it looks textured. I don't notice my fine lines as bad. Now this can't be put under the eye area, so I haven't really tried this on my crow's feet or any of that. But my skin just looks more refreshed. It looks healthier. And it's $69. I was paying double this for the other product I was using. I was using 2 different products. When I'd run out of that one, I had some Olay Whips. That does not work on my skin at all. Using this for the last 3 weeks, I feel like my skin has almost turned to normal skin, not dry skin. I used to, like during the night, get very dry. I'd have like a tightening feel on my skin. Now my skin feels normal. It doesn't feel that way. And when you put this on your face, I notice it just goes in. It doesn't have that oily look. It just looks refreshed. I really love this stuff. Sometimes I was using, when I'd run out of my expensive cream, I used the Olay Regenerist. And this does not work on me. My skin stayed just as dry. It didn't improve anything. But I tell you, this stuff really has done wonders for my skin. I'm so glad they sent it to me because I will be using this. Always looking for better products. But for $69, I find it's well worth it. I just want to say this is an honest opinion. I try to keep everything honest here. I noticed on their website they have 100% guarantee. If you purchase this and you don't like it, they're so sure about their products, they will give you a credit either on your account or give you something different. If you have a reaction or just don't like it, they'll give you a different product. Not many people do that. You know, of course, they probably have time restraints. You need to read the fine lines before you just buy it and something happens, but I thought that was really good that they have 100% guarantee on their items. If you purchase it from Ulta or Sephora, they always have that. I'm not sure about the time that you have to do it within, probably 30 days, but I'm not sure. But I really, really love this product. If anybody is having hydration problems, but remember, it's for all skin types. Are you having fine line problems? You're starting to develop fine lines. You really want to try this because take it from a 51-year-old face. And I haven't been doing Botox. I haven't done Botox. I've done Botox twice in my life, and it was probably in my late 40s. No, I'd say my mid 40s. It's been a while. So I'm not saying I won't ever do it again, but it's totally out my face. I mean, you can see every line right now. You can tell when someone has Botox because when they smile, you don't get much anything. You just get But thank you for watching my review on the Perricone MD High Potency Classic Hyaluronic Intensive Moisturizer. That's a mouthful. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember to subscribe, and if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.